Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the details on this lovely unit that I'm wearing right here. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to make your lace front wigs look as natural as possible. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys is the Model Edges on Point. Yes ma'am, Edges on Point. I love that name. Lace front wig, and I have the style EOP 705, and the color that I have today is the FFT1 or 1B27, which is like an ombre and blonde. And you guys, look at those gorgeous curls, bouncy curls. OMG, I am so in love with the curls on this unit. This unit also comes with a middle part, and there is lace from ear to ear. There also are 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the nape area, along with adjustable straps. Y'all know I love the adjustable straps. And I also like that they used a brown soft lace on this unit as well. Right y'all, so in that first clip I just showed y'all me putting on the wig and cutting off the lace. It does have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and all I have on this wig is this one parting space, but I do like how they extended it all the way back, so it does look a little bit more realistic. But as you all can see, it does still look a little bit wiggy, so I am going to go in and try to pluck some hair out of the hairline first, and then go in and make some baby hairs, because I don't know what this is, but this is not working for me. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit more so that way y'all can see what I'm doing. Let me get a little closer. Alright y'all, so I got my scrunchie. We can get to work now. And if y'all don't mind, I'm just going to talk to y'all a little bit while I do this. So I may not even need my clips, but we'll see. Nope, I do. I lied. So I don't know when this video is going to come out, but in real time, I'm 2 days, officially 2 days away from my 21st birthday, y'all. Like, I'm so happy, so lit. So before I talk anymore, I do see they tried to make the hairline look a little bit natural by plucking out some hair, but I mean, it's not that noticeable. So I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time and start plucking back some. And also with this wig, far as the lace sectioning goes, I really only have lace in the middle and just like a little bit in the front. So I'm not even gonna pluck too much, just because I don't know if y'all can tell, but once I get, let me see if I can part it and y'all can see. Let me see. Like, literally that's how far back I can go, and I'm touching tracks. So I'm not even gonna even pluck that much out, but just do a little something so that way we can make it look realistic, you know? That's the whole point of the wig, to look realistic and mimic real hair. So I'm just gonna adjust my clip real quick and get it back right. OMG, y'all, I feel like my voice sounds so raspy. I've been celebrating all weekend long so far for my birthday, so honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I really just need to cut some baby hairs. Hold on, y'all. This is about to be an easy finesse. I thought this was going to be a hard one. Let's see. Wait a minute. Just the part right there. Yep. Exactly what I'm about to do. Right there. Oh, yep. Alright, so boom. First thing I'm going to do is take my scissors and just start cutting the hair. Because the shorter the baby, the shorter that your baby hairs are, the more natural they're actually going to appear. So I'm just going to just cut them in a slanted motion. But me personally, I do like to make the baby hairs appear the shortest and then kind of like angle the length down as they go, just because for my natural hairline, my sideburns are actually the longest anyway, so I try to mimic my actual hairline when I am wearing my wigs. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this a little bit shorter. And you can use a razor comb as well. I just like using scissors because it's just so much easier for me personally. So much more easier. But anyways, like I was saying, I'm 2 days out until 21. You guys, I'm so excited, so happy. I've been waiting for this birthday for a long time. I mean, I think anybody would probably be excited to turn 21. And it's not more so like for like, oh, drinking and smoking. For me, I've always felt like 21 is like, that's that coming of age. You're officially an adult. Even though I've been doing adult things and adulting for the last 3 or 4 years, 2-3 years, whatever. But it's just like, wow, like I've hit that age where it's time to get serious, like real serious. And not serious as like serious in a sense of like just growing up and just doing the daggone thing. So, and I'm not saying that, oh, you gotta rush the process or anything like that, because I definitely wish I was still that little girl in the sandbox playing sometimes. But it's just really amazing to me sometimes just to look back over my life and see like, wow, I've come such a long way. So definitely, y'all, comment below your favorite memories, birthday memories, or if you already are 21, like drop me some advice. Drop me some advice down below of what I need to be worried about, concerned about becoming 21. So y'all let me know in the comments. And now I'm just gonna go in and pluck out the hair too, because that's another thing that will help make everything look a whole lot more natural the thinner your baby hairs are. So to avoid looking clocky, make sure your baby hairs are short and not too thick. I'm telling y'all, the thinner they are, the better. Because for me, I've noticed when I go in with the gel or the edge control that I use to actually swoop and make the baby hairs, it makes them look a little bit thicker sometimes. So that's why I like to thin them out, because the product that you put on there is going to make it look thick anyway. So I'm just going to comb that out. And I'm just going to repeat this throughout the whole entire side, just thinning it out to my liking. And then I'm going to go in and actually swoop them. And you see the difference between me just plucking this some and not plucking this one? I'm telling y'all, it's going to look so much more natural once I actually go in and swoop them. Alright y'all, so I went on ahead and I have all my sections plucked out how I want them to, and I'm just going to take my little edge brush and comb. Y'all know this is my favorite tool to do my edges with, so if you don't have one of those, definitely check out the description box down below. I am going to link that, but I am going to be using the Got To Be Glue Gel in the black tube, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of this on the back of my hand and applying it to the areas to make my baby hairs. And you don't have to use a lot of product either. A little bit is definitely going to go a long way. Y'all cannot tell me this is not my hair. Look at those baby hairs, honey. Alright y'all, so this is a close-up. This is what my edges are looking like. Y'all, this hairline looks so freaking good. So I'm just going to take my scarf real quick and tie it around my edges to get them nice and laid, and then I'm going to go in and fix this part up a little bit more. It's really not a lot that I need to do to the part. I just need it to look a little bit more defined. Alright y'all, so for my part, I'm going to go in with my Warm Honey Concealer by LA Girl Pro, and I'm going to be using a small concealer brush to go in and make this dang, I can't talk. I'm going to be using the concealer to go in and make the scalp like effect with the part. Alright y'all, so these are the final results of this wig. I really love this wig. I love the color, y'all. Like, the color is freaking amazing. I definitely love the curls on this wig. The only thing that I really am not feeling is the tangledness. I know y'all really can't see, but definitely if you want this wig to not tangle, do not brush it that often. Try to stay away from brushing it so much and combing it. It does get a little bit tangly in the nape area, but other than that, like, I definitely love this wig. The color is freaking everything. The only other thing is I wish that the lace parting would go back. The lace would go back some more, but other than that, I mean, I love how the edges turned out and the parting looks a whole lot more natural. So don't forget to check out the description box down below so that way you can get your hands on this popping unit. I mean, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, y'all, so you know we got to slay and look like snacks out here. But I really do love this wig. I'm probably gonna wear it until it falls apart. But that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Definitely don't forget to check out the description box. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn those post notifications on so that way you don't miss any of the new videos that I have coming out on my channel. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.